Hello viewers, today we are going to see interesting 10 general knowledge questions. First question, in which country sun rises first? Norway, New Zealand, Finland, Switzerland. Answer, New Zealand. Officially, the first city in New Zealand to see the sun, Gisborne and Mount Hikurangi, is recognized as the first point on the New Zealand mainland to greet the morning sun. Watch the sunrise before anyone else in New Zealand. The East Cape has the honor of witnessing the world's first sunrise each and every day. Second question, which country has a green star on its red flag? Morocco, Bulgaria, Madagascar, Hungary. Answer, Morocco. It was a simple red banner with no markings. The Moroccan national flag is rectangular with a proportion of 2:3. The flag is red with an open green star which has 5 points at center. Its 5 corners represents 5 continents. According to traditional meaning, Europe, America, Asia, Oceania and Africa. The green color is the symbol of hope. Third question, in which year were the first ever Asian Games held? 1957, 1952, 1951, 1955. Answer, 1951. The first ever Asian Games were held in New Delhi in 1951. Asian Games were regulated by the Asian Games Federation from 1951 to 1978. Since 1982, Olympic Council of Asia now regulates the Asian Games. The Games were officially opened by Indian President Rajendra Prasad at Dhyan Chand National Stadium. A total of 489 athletes from 11 national Olympic committees competed in 11 sports. Fourth question, how many inches does the Eiffel Tower expand during summer? More than 4 inches, more than 8 inches, more than 10 inches, more than 6 inches. Answer, more than 6 inches. The Eiffel Tower gets taller by up to 6 inches during the summer when the temperature reaches as high as 40 degrees Celsius. Extreme heat causes the metals at the base to expand, increasing the height of the 300-meter tall tower. It also causes the top of the tower to tilt away from the sun by up to 7 inches. Fifth question, who built the Hanging Gardens of Babylon? Nabonidus II, King Nebuchadnezzar I, King Nebuchadnezzar II, Nabonidus I. Answer, King Nebuchadnezzar II. The most popular theory is that the gardens were built by King Nebuchadnezzar to make his wife Amytas happy. She was homesick for the plants and gardens of her homeland. King Nebuchadnezzar ruled Babylon from 605 BC for a period of 43 years. It was during the time that he is said to have the Hanging Gardens built. Sixth question, which is the longest river in the world? Amazon, Nile, Ganga, Yangtze. Answer, Nile. The Nile is a major north-flowing river in northern East Africa, the longest river in Africa. It has historically been considered the longest river in the world. The total length of the river is 6,650 km, that is 4,132 miles. The Nile Basin covers an area of 3.4 million square kilometers and is travelled by 10 African countries called the Nile Basin countries. Seventh question, what is the capital of Turkey? Istanbul, Bursa, Konya, Ankara. Answer: Ankara. Ankara is the capital of Turkey since 1923. In 1923, after the Turkish War of Independence, Ankara replaced the city as the capital of the newly formed Republic of Turkey. Eighth question: when was Stephen Hawking born? 1941, 1945, 1942, 1947. Answer: 1942. Stephen was born in Oxford on 8th January 1942. Hawking was born in Oxford into a family of doctors. He began his university education at University College, Oxford, in October 1959 at the age of 17. Ninth question: what is Turkey's national game? Baseball, oil wrestling, football, golf. Answer: oil wrestling. 10th question: what is the national identity of Mauritius? Dodo, pink pigeon, bulbul, Mauritius kestrel. Answer: dodo. The dodo has become a symbol of national identity in Mauritius. The last dodo bird was killed in 1681. Although the tale of the dodo bird's demise is well documented, no complete specimens of the bird were preserved. There are only fragments and sketches. The dodo bird is just one of the bird species driven to extinction on Mauritius. Thank you, viewers.